Welcome to Teo's Take. Today I'm unboxing the Tascam DR-10L Pro field recorder. This is an upgraded version of the popular DR-10L. There are a few subtle differences plus a couple of major upgrades on this Pro model. Let's dive in and see what's inside the box. After that, we'll take a closer look at the Tascam DR-10L Pro. Okay, let's open the box for this Tascam DR-10L Pro 32-bit float recorder. Comes with the lavalier microphone. I'm also planning on using this with my Rode Video Mic 1. See how it's going to work. If any of you used it in that setting or with a shotgun mic, please let me know how it works. Out of the package comes some paperwork. Like user manual, warranty papers, and things like that. Oh, also a little isotope free software card. Typical stuff. Lavalier mic. And here's the belt clip attachment. Very cool. It's like a piece of wire, nothing special about it, but hey, I like simple stuff better sometimes. Here's a synchronization cable. It's a Type-C to USB-A cable. And here's some accessories for clipping on. And I think this is the little cap, wind cap for the microphone. And here's the star of the show. Tascam DR-10L Pro. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the DR-10L Pro. Device is almost same size as the DR-10L. The top part has the lavalier port, 3.5 millimeter port to plug in the microphone. Also, there's a screw on it to secure the lavalier mic safely there so it doesn't get unplugged. Right here, USB Type-C port for the syncing with your computer. And underneath, there's the micro SD port. Another difference of this from the DR-10L is it supports up to 512 gigabytes of micro SD cards, which is huge, you guys. I mean, I'm using 32 gigabytes and it lasts me almost feels like forever. I can't imagine the 512 gigabytes. And underneath the usual buttons, just like the DR-10L. And on this side, there's a power button and there's a headphone monitoring jack right here, a female 3.5 millimeter jack. These two little holes on left and right are for this little clip. So basically it attaches through those little ports and safely sits on your belt. And I'm not going to use this right now. Other than that, it's fairly similar. And here's the battery port. Another difference from DR-10L. DR-10L uses a single AAA and it lasts up to 10 hours, I think. This one uses double AAA batteries and I think it lasts up to 30-40 hours, which is awesome. Other than that, it's a fairly similar device and I really like both of them. And this one, again, gives you 32-bit float recording. Other one doesn't have it. The Tascam DR-10L Pro takes the beloved features of the original DR-10L and adds some serious upgrades. With the Pro version, you get a Bluetooth port for the Bluetooth module, a 32-bit float recording which captures a wider dynamic range and reduces the need for perfect gain adjustments, and ideal for unpredictable sound levels. It also includes dual recording for added safety, automatic file recovery, and enhanced timecode support, which making it a reliable choice for professional field work. These improvements makes the DR-10L Pro a versatile step up, offering greater control and quality without compromising the compact design that made the DR-10L popular, which is almost pretty much the same size. Both the DR-10L and DR-10L Pro are available on Amazon, with the DR-10L priced at only at $125, which Pro adds another $24 on it, which is available for $149. I think both of these recorders are excellent choices, so you won't go wrong with either one of them. If you need the upgraded features, like the ones I mentioned earlier, the Pro version is a fantastic option. But if not, the tried and true DR-10L remains an excellent choice even in 2024. If you're interested, I included links for both of these recorders in the video description. And if you have any comments or tips about these recorders, please feel free to drop them below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next video.